The topic is volume of rotation. So why rotation word is used here? So you will understand. So let us just start talking about that. What is volume? You already know. Uh, so say for example, we have a problem here, integration problem. Say this is integration and um, the range is given also, say 0 to 3, and the problem is say 2x minus 1. Say this is the question. So in this case, okay, let me not use the integration symbol right here. Say I'm just writing it as a function. So what I will write, the function is 2x plus 1, y equal to minus 1, and the range of x given, okay, it is written like within the x interval. So what does that mean? X interval means the range of x values. So it is called interval, all the same thing. And I'm writing first bracket, then 0, then comma, then 3. So this is the interval. So what does that mean? The meaning of this is x value is within this range and it is from 0 to 3. So the meaning of this is actually the meaning of this interval. This is actually x value is within this range. So within this range means the lower value is 0 and upper value is 3, and 0, 3 both are included. Oh no, first bracket I used, so it is not included. So let me include this, otherwise this will be something different. Let me include 0 and 3. So what is the included means? Included means the 0 can be taken as x value, 3 also can be taken as x values. So if we include 0 and 3, this is actually interval with third bracket. So do you know this thing? This is called closed interval. Do you have any idea on this from other concept or other things? The first bracket thing is called open interval, and it is third use. This is called closed interval. Okay, so closed interval means 0 and 3. The boundary values are included as the x value. So this is it. Anyway, so the thing is, in this integration, we will consider there is integration sign and lower limit 0, upper limit 3. That is the concept. So x is within this range. Okay. Now, the volume of rotation, what does that mean? Let me draw the x-axis, y-axis here. So on the right side, I am drawing the x-axis, y-axis, and I will draw the graph of the function given. So what is the function given? Y equal to 2x minus 1. So if you draw this graph, y equal to 2x minus 1, this graph will be a straight line and it will be like this, and it will be just below of the x-axis line. It is like this. So say this is our graph and the equation is y equal to 2x minus 1. This is a straight line, of course, and the straight line is y equal to 2x minus 1. Now, if this is the straight line, and if we think 0 will make a trouble here, uh, let us consider half here. That will be easy to understand. Let us not 0 in this case. Let us take the interval is 0.5 and then 3. Okay. Why the 0 will be a problem, I will let you know, then you will understand. So let us take the x interval is 0.5 and 3. That means half and 3. So why it is? Because if you take x equals to half in the range of x value, the lowest one you are taking, that is x equals to half, then what will be the y value? You can calculate here. It is 2 into half minus 1. So y will be 0 in that case. So in the graph, this is the point. This is the point. It is half and 0. And this is 1. And then 1 point, it is 2. And then 2.5, it is 3, like that. Do you understand what I am saying? In the graph, there are x values like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point, that is the dot, black dot here, right on the x-axis line, this is actually half comma 0 point. Half comma 0 point means x value is half, and then if you put this value in the equation, this equation y equal to 2x minus 1, you put the x value as half, then it will be 2 into half minus 1. So 1 minus 1, so y is 0. So this is the 0 point. Now I am taking this as the lower boundary and upper boundary is 3. So if it is 3, then what will happen actually? It will go little higher, right? It will go little up because we see this is the 3 point. So let us take 2 here. No problem. Let us take the range as 2. We are going up to 2. Okay, because we do not have enough space. So what I mean, the lower boundary is x equals to half. This is the lower boundary, and the upper boundary is x equals to 2. So this is the upper boundary. Okay, now little right side, little more right side. Yes, so this is the 2 point. Now you get the lower boundary, upper boundary with green line. The blue line is the graph itself, and the red line is the x-axis. Now we are talking about volume of rotation. So volume of rotation means if you rotate this plate, say this is a plate and it is the say yellow color plate. Now if you rotate this plate, means there will be I mean something like this. Say I am using this color. Okay, there will be something like this, and the rotation rotation will be something like this. So in this case, actually you are imagining, you imagine like that. You are imagining that the whole plate of yellow color will be rotated like this. That means this is the triangle shaped plate. And now I am rotating, this is the x-axis line, and I am rotating this thing like that. So what will be the shape? This will be the new shape. That means it is like a cone. It is like a cone like this. Do you understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it okay? Do you understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
So what I actually mean, originally you had one triangle shape uh, figure, and that figure is now rotated like this. So you are just rotating this thing, taking x-axis as the fixed line, taking x-axis as the fixed line. So if you take x-axis as the fixed line, that is the pivoting line, and you are rotating this thing, and the three-dimensional figure is coming. So this way, the three-dimensional figure is called a cone. Actually, the cone will look like this. The cone will look like this. Is that okay for this case? So that will be the 3D figure. That will be the 3D shape. And you can find out the volume of that 3D shape. So it is coming from rotation. That is why it is called volume of rotation. So what is the formula we have for volume of rotation? The formula, already we have the formula. Volume is equal to, there is one thing pi, and there is integration symbol, and the lower limit say half and upper limit say 2, and the function is what? Y square. This is the formula, y square dx. So what is y value? Our y value is 2x minus 1. So you can just write it like half to 2, and this is 2x minus 1, then whole square, because it is y square, and dx. So you know how to solve this problem. Pi is just a number outside the integration, so it will be half to 2, and then it is the expansion of a minus b whole square formula, so it is 4x square, then minus 4x, and then plus 1, and then close the bracket, then dx. So you move to the next place, next line, that is pi is the number, and there is third bracket. So you uh, now you do the integration. Okay, I'm doing integration for the whole thing at a time. Okay, so what will be the whole thing integration? It will be just like say 4 into x cube by 3, right? So you can write 4 into x cube by 3, and then minus 4 into x square by 2. So it will be 2x square actually. So I am writing this for the first time, and then plus 1 into x. So it is x. So this is the integration, and then lower limit half, upper limit 2. Okay, now you put the values. So what will be the first value? First value is 2. So you write here 4 into 8, and then divided by 3, and 4 into 2 square, that is 4 divided by 2, and then 2. So I am putting 2 for everything, and now minus, then pi, and then I am putting half. So it will be 4 divided by 8, 4 into 1 by 8, okay, and again divided by 3. So it is 4 into 1 by 4, and again divided by 2, and then plus 1 by 2. So I am putting half for everything. So now what is the answer? This is pi, and it is 32 by 3. So 32 by 3 means 10.67, and this is 8, and this is 2, and minus, and then pi. So it is 1 by 6. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 means 0.16. Okay, and then minus 1 by 2, so 0.5, and then 1 by 2, so 0.5. So 0.55 cancel, and it is 0. Okay, 24. Okay, so 4.51 into pi. So that is the answer. 4.51 into pi. Pi means 3.14. You can also put that thing. So there will be something like, okay, 15, okay, around 15 or something. So this will be almost the answer. So you can just check and do the calculation from your calculator, and that will be the cubic unit. Okay, unit cube. So maybe centimeter, so centimeter cube, maybe inch, so inch cube, maybe foot, so foot cube, something like that. So whatever the number you get, the answer should be that unit cube. So anyone has the answer? Anyone has the answer?
14.136.
বল কত আসতেছে?
14.136.
ও 14.136. ওকে, গুড। আমি বলছিলাম যে হ্যাঁ এটা হয়তো বা এরকম মানে সব মিলি। তোমার এখানে কি ইজ ইট 4.51 or this is also different?
That was different, sir.
ওকে, হ্যাঁ তাহলে হতে পারে। এনিওয়ে, সো ইট ইজ 14.51, না 14 পয়েন্ট কত বললা?
136.
136. Okay, so 14.136. So this is the answer, and you will write unit cube. So that will be the answer. So it is called the volume. So if I ask you what volume, volume of which thing? So you will say the area, the shape of the area. Actually the yellow part is what? Yellow part is the area. What we already did in the last class. That means if you find the area, which area will come? So this is the yellow area will come. So that shape, that same shape, if you rotate the shape, uh, taking x-axis as the center, if you rotate that shape, the three-dimensional shape will be created or it. That three-dimensional figure will have this volume. So this is the understanding. Okay. So by using this formula of definite integral, you can find out the volume and volume of a certain shape, three-dimensional shape. The 3D shape is coming from the rotation, 360-degree rotation, 360-degree rotation of the area, taking x-axis as the center. Okay, so in the beginning I talked about 0 to 3. So if you take 0, then 0 means there will be another this type of shape included here. So another shape will be included here like that. Okay. So the 3D shape will be something like this is one type of cone in the right side, and there will be another small cone in the left side also. So that will be something like this. So that is also a problem, that is also a calculation possible, nothing wrong. Just to make it simple, I thought, okay, let us take from half. So if you take from half, then the left side smaller part is not coming. It is from the 0 to 2. It is like that. If you go to 3, then that is also a problem. No problem in that. That is one calculation again. So it will be a little bigger cone. It will be a little bigger cone. So it will be big like that. It will go to 3. Okay, so that's it. So there will be a bigger cone and the bigger shape. The answer will be little more. That's it. So this is the concept. This is the understanding. Is that okay? Do you understand now? So any type of problem actually I cannot give, because any type of integration is not possible to do with the knowledge what you have at this moment. So it is the idea or concept about volume, arc length and area, and of course I will give you some questions that is possible to solve. If I do not give you a question which is not included in our course or syllabus, then it will be meaningless. Okay, so I will not give you any question out of the syllabus. Now think, is that okay? Do you understand? The volume concept is okay.
If we put y-axis as a middle, then what is it?
Okay, I could not understand your question. Tell me again.
Sir, if
Yes.
we put y-axis as a middle, then sir, if there will be change in law of formula.
X, y equal to, what is your function you are saying? Y equal to what?
স্যার বলছিলাম যদি ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিস কে আমরা মিডলে রাখি তাহলে কি সূত্রতে কোনো পরিবর্তন আসবে কিনা?
কাকে মিডিলে রাখলে y?
স্যার যদি ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিস কে মিডলে রাখি তাহলে কি স্যার কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে কিনা সূত্রের মধ্যে?
না, y x তো যেখানে থাকবে এটাই 0। তোমার y x এ মিডিলে রাখার মানে কি? এটা আমি বুঝি নাই তোমার কথাটা। y আর x
স্যার রোটেশনের ক্ষেত্রে আর কি? আচ্ছা স্যার,
equation whatever the equation, that will be same every time. Y axis, x axis position will not be dependent on that. That means what I want to say one equation is y equal to x square. So this is the equation. So you will draw the graph. সো তুমি কি ভাবতেছো এই গ্রাফটা তুমি ইচ্ছে করলে এখানেও ড্র করতে পারো, ইচ্ছে করলে এখানেও ড্র করতে পারো, এরকম? Not really. You have to draw the graph according to the points, and you cannot really shift the x-axis, y-axis as you like. It is always depending on the x and y value from this given equation. So if you think about the xy values like this, so what will be y value? If I put x equal to 0, y will be 0. What will be y? If I put x equals to 1, it will be 1 square, so 1. What will be y? If I put x equals to 2, then what will happen? It will be 4. What will happen if I put x equals to minus 1? Then what will be y? Minus 1 square. So it is 1. You understand my point? So like this, you can have many points, many points. So what is the point actually? The point is 0, 0 is a point. 0, 0 is a point, that is x value, y value. 1, 1 is another point, that is x value, y value. 2, 4 is another point. Okay, and minus 1, 1, it is another point, and like that you may have many points. Now you put the points on the graph. So what is the 0, 0 point? This is this. And what is the 1, 1 point? This is 1 and then 1, like that. Okay, what is the 2, 4 point? So it is 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2, 4 point. And what is minus 1, 1? That is on the left side, minus 1, and upper point, this is 1. You got my point? What is minus 2? That will be minus 2 and 4. So it will be 2 units left and 4 up. So this is like that. Okay, now you join all the points. That will be your graph. So join all the points and that will be your graph, and this will be the graph. So it is the graph of y equal to x square. It is the graph of y equal to x square. It is not possible that you will shift the y-axis from here to here. No. X and y axes are set, then put the points, then you get the graph. Is it clear now? Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Clear, sir.
আচ্ছা, এখন আসো, তাহলে তুমি যেহেতু একটা কোশ্চেন করলা, তাহলে এটা দিয়ে একটা অঙ্ক করায় ফেলি এখন। সো সে দিস ইজ আওয়ার, অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা কি বলে? ডু ইউ নো দ্য শেপ অফ দিস গ্রাফ? হু নোজ দ্য শেপ অফ দিস গ্রাফ? Anyone knows what is the name of this graph?
Sir, U.
Sir, parabola.
Parabola, correct. So this is called parabola. So this is one graph, and I am just drawing the graph here, and I am getting the shape. This is called parabola anyway. So this is the graph. Now I am saying, say, volume of rotation problem. Okay, this is the 0 and this is 2, 4, right? So let me use the lower limit as 0 and upper limit as 2. It is 1, it is 2, so upper limit is 2. And if I now rotate this, what will happen actually? that will be this area will be rotated. Let me just shade this. So this green color area will be rotated and the 3D shape will be made, right? So if you really rotate this, what will be the shape? The shape will be something like this. The shape will be something like this. A 3D shape. Okay, you got my point? Do you understand this shape? Clear naki na?
Clear.
So what will be the volume of that shape? Okay, তোমার এটা মনে মনে কল্পনা করতে হবে এখানে এই জিনিসটাকে রোটেট করা হয়েছে so after rotation there will be 3D shape and the 3D shape volume. Okay, that volume will be pi then integration then 0 to 2 and it is y square dx. That is the formula. So y is x square in this case, so it will be x to the power 4, x square then square, so x to the power 4. So it is actually x to the power 5 by 5 and then third bracket, then lower limit 0, upper limit 2, and then this is actually 2 to the power 5 divided by 5 and minus 0 to the power 5 divided by 5. So it is just 0 and it is 32 by 5. So 32 by 5 means 6.4. So 6.4 you can write unit cube. So that will be the answer. So the volume of rotation of this particular shape. Which particular shape? This one. The volume of rotation is actually 6.4 unit cube. So maybe centimeter cube, maybe inch cube, maybe foot cube, something like that. Okay, this is the question. Now you understand what I say? Is that clear or not?
Yes,
স্যার
sir.
এই যে রোটেশনটা এটা কি স্যার সবসময় এক্স অ্যাক্সিস কে মাঝখানে রেখে করবে নাকি স্যার
Yes,
চেঞ্জ
yes,
হতে পারে এই দিকে?
yes, good question. Yes, এটা সবসময় x axis কে মাঝখানে রেখে করবে. You are right.
স্যার এটাই বলছিলাম যে স্যার এটা কি স্যার কোনো সময় ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিস কে মাঝখানে রেখে করতে পারবে না রোটেশনটা?
ও আচ্ছা, ওইটা বলছিলে তুমি। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ওটা
জি স্যার
করতে
ওইটা
পারবে।
বলছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ, রাইট।
স্যার তাহলে স্যার যে আমরা যে
তখন
সূত্রটা জানি
তোমার
যে স্যার
তখন তোমার dy হয়ে যাবে, তখন x স্কয়ার dy এইভাবে তখন করতে হবে। এই ফর্মুলাটা, দিস ফর্মুলা
এক্স্যাক্টলি
উইল।
স্যার সেটাই বলছিলাম স্যার।
ও আচ্ছা, গুড না, দ্যাট ইজ এ গুড কোশ্চেন। সো ওইটা তো আমি বলি না, এখন আমরা করবো না ওইটা, but it is possible, and in that case it will be x square and then dy, and the values, এই যে ভ্যালু রেঞ্জটা সেটাও y এর জন্য হতে হবে। In that case the range of values will be given for y, মানে ওইখানে পুরা জিনিসটাই x আর y চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে। এবং এই শেপটা যদি তুমি এই কিসের জন্য করো, হ্যাঁ মানে y axis এর কনটেক্সটে যদি রোটেট করাও, তাহলে কিন্তু পুরা অন্যরকম শেপ হয়ে যাবে, তখন আর এটা এরকম থাকবে না। ওকে, তখন ওইটা তোমার এইখান থেকে শুরু করে এরকম একটা শেপ, এই শেপটার জন্য তখন আমার রোটেশনটা হবে। ওকে, সো দ্যাট উইল বি লাইক এ বোল। এটা এদিক দিয়ে আসবে এবং এটা এখানে এরকম একটা বোলের মতো তৈরি হবে। ওকে, এটা এরকম হবে তখন রোটেশনটা। That shape will be like that. Okay, so this is the understanding. So that is good question. It is all right. Okay, সো ওইটা আমরা এখন করতেছি না, ওইটা তো আমরা দিব না, পরীক্ষাতেও দিব না, অসুবিধা নাই। Is that okay up to this? Now,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
good. So now let me tell you another thing. Say there is a line. আমি এটার একটু নিচে নামাই, এটা গ্রাফটা বেশি উপরে উঠে গেছে। Okay. So let us think about a line, just a straight line, and this straight line is like this. এটা স্ট্রেট লাইনটা এই 4 এর ভিতর দিয়ে গেছে, 2 4, আর এই দিক দিয়ে চলে গেছে 0 এর ভিতর দিয়ে। So the straight line is like that. এখন who can say what will be the equation of this line? This is a straight line. Who can say what will be the equation of this line? বলতে পারবা যে এটার ইকুয়েশনটা কেমন হইতেছে? The black one. This is a straight line. Who can say the equation of this straight line? This is 0 0 and it is 2 4. কেউ বলতে পারতেছো?
Sir, y is equal to mx.
Yes. So what is m in this case? It is 2 because this point is what? This point is 2 comma 4. So when x equals to 2, y will be 4. So if you consider y equal to mx, that means y equal to 2x, then it will match. There will be no problem. It will be fine. Right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is 0 0 and the other point is 2 comma 4. Now if I ask you to find out the white area, if I ask you to find out the white area, can you do this? If I ask you the area of the white region, area, volume না কিন্তু, ভলিউমও করা যাবে, ওইটা আমি এখন করতেছি না। আগে বলো, can you, if I give you this question, সে মনে করো আমি তোমাকে গ্রাফে, এই গ্রাফটা দিয়ে দিলাম পরীক্ষার কোশ্চেনের মধ্যে, বললাম find the area of white region by using integration. এখন এটা যদি কোশ্চেন হয়, how can you find this out? From the graph given. So any idea? 3 মিনিট টাইম আছে আমাদের। কারোর কোনো আইডিয়া আছে?
স্যার এটা তো মেবি একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, সো
না,
আমরা
not,
যদি ইন্টিগ্রেশন
no,
করে ওই রোটেশন।
triangle, no, triangle means white and green একসাথে পুরাটা, তাই না? কিন্তু আমি বলতেছি,
ইয়েস স্যার, আমরা যদি মাইনাস করে দিই।
yes, that is my question. ওই জন্যই তো আমি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করতেছি। Good. ওইটা মাইনাস করেই করবা। So you will start the answer like, you will write, okay, area of the required, মানে যেটা আমাকে বের করতে বলা হয়েছে, required region, হ্যাঁ, required region, এটা কি হবে? এটা হবে area under y equal to 2x, হ্যাঁ, এটা বের করবা, and then minus area under y equal to x square. তো একটা থেকে একটা বিয়োগ করে দিতে হবে, তাহলে হোয়াইট পার্টটা আসবে। So this will be 0 to 2, এটার কোশ্চেনটা হবে just 2x dx because area formula is just y dx, that's all, আর কিছু নাই। আর ওইটা হবে 0 to 2 x square dx, right? So এখন ক্যালকুলেশন করে যাইতে থাকবা। সো ক্যালকুলেশন করলে এখানে কত আসবে? The first one is x square by 2, so 2 into x square by 2, 2 into x square by 2, so only x square, then third bracket, then 0 2, and second part is x cube by 3, so you will write, okay, x cube by 3, and it is 0 to 2. So what will be this part? Next line, আমরা তাহলে এখানে কন্টিনিউ করি। So what is the next line? That will be 2 square minus 0 square. So 2 square minus 0 square, I can write it like 2 square minus 0 square, and then minus, then this part is 2 cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3. So you can now write the answer like 4, and this is 8 by 3. Okay, 8 by 3 means 2.67, so it is like 1.33. Okay, this square unit square, that will be the answer. Is that okay? Do you understand this thing?